For getting the product through our link, we are letting go TweetBox. TweetBox automates your Twitter tasks, which you can perform. Such tasks as commenting, replying, inviting, and as well as likes and more. You can also promote sales, and it improves your growth engagement. What more can you do with TweetBox? With TweetBox, you can also see how you can select the tool to search and comment based on keywords which you can tweet in and send message to users. You can also pick the tool to search a certain keyword as well and to reply to tweets. You can also search a keyword to reply to tweet and send direct message media. You can also use the tool to search a keyword in tweets and send your promo or product link which you have your prospect to reach out. You can also use the tool to send a specific keyword in tweets and invite users to your TweetUp events, which are a very effective way of getting your members in it. You can also use this medium to refer to your Twitter users username, which you can use specific keywords to send invitation or mention of a specific user to your tweet. You can also use the tool to pick a specific keyword or hashtag which answers at random, selecting a user for a winner. You can also set up auto reply using a hashtag and sending auto reply for such hashtags which are identified with a keyword. You can also set up an auto booking through your TweetBox system here, which allows you to search for a specific booking keyword and auto reply with your booking link. You can also set up auto coupons, which allows you to search for a coupon keyword in tweets and auto reply with your coupon code. You can also run auto promotions as well as auto sales, all of these using specific keyword search, and you send a link to them or you send your shopping link, which does the entire magic for you. Alright, let me show you how you can set up your TweetBox in your server, and thereafter some of specific tactics how you can go about them. Alright, so join me as I take you to my server cPanel. Alright, straight here on the server, I would want to go to File Manager to locate our public directory, which we'll be loading our TweetBox into. Alright, so on our directory here, we want to go straight to public HTML. Public HTML, we want to hit on the upload menu to pick our TweetBox, which is on my local machine, which you will also have on your local machine. So hit on TweetBox, pick it up, it will be installed. Alright, great, so it's installed. I will have to go back to the directory. Alright, so look for it, it's not here. To refresh, reload. Once reloaded, it's still not showing. Reload again. Alright, we now have it all down here. TweetBox, we select it. Once selected, you hit on right click, mouse button, and hit on extract. Great. So it's extracted down here. So once it's down there, the next interest is opening this. Once you open this, you have the folder called code. It is within this your code folder that will come to config PHP. We want to edit config PHP. Edit config PHP. Hit on edit. It's the same thing you find as was instructed. You can see. Let me quickly show you the installation instruction here. So you can see from the installation instruction here, it clearly shows how you create a Twitter app. Use them from devtwitter.com. We also get permission, and make sure you select read and write. Then you replace the Twitter app details in the file code or for the /config.php, provided the consumer key, your consumer key, consumer secrets, as well as consumer site URL, and you start using your solution. So let's follow this and process. It's the exact thing I'm already showing you, but I want to take it step by step so you can fully grasp it and see how to set it up. Alright, so we have a consumer key, you have configuration consumer key, so we'll provide consumer key here, consumer secret, provided here, our site URL, we'll do same here. So we want to open my Twitter account now so that we create an app for our Twitter account, and so as to have access to our consumer key as well as our consumer secret. So join me as I create a Twitter account. Alright, so I'm about creating my Twitter app already. So go to my apps here. In the apps, I want to create a new app. I say create new app. My app name is TweetBox. Alright, so I'll say TweetBox, Tweet management system. You just call it like this. Alright, so I want to put my application URL. So the website is https://www, or you can just leave it here, supreme web ng.com/tweetbox. // so you can have it there. So once that is done, I can now hit on yes, I've read the agreement, and hit on create your Twitter application. So that is creating. So if you have this error, application already exists, you could just say TweetBox, let's say Pro. Right, so let's see if it will cross the validation. Create your Twitter application. Alright, great. So your application has been created. Please take a moment to review and adjust. Alright, so application is already up here. So we want to go to keys and access token, see permission. Let's see if it's on read write. Alright, correct. So now come to keys and access tokens. Great. So we can see our consumer key. We can also see our consumer secret. So this is what we copy. We take it back to our config file. Under consumer key, you carefully select this and drop it there. Come back to consumer secret. The consumer secret, copy it. You go back to your config file. You carefully drop it there. Alright, that's it. So next point is application URL. You go back here and pick it up here. Application URL is right here. Then we have it as supreme web ng.com/tweetbox. Alright, so that's it. So upon doing that, you can just copy this up and save it. That's a call up URL. Right, so save changes. Alright, so always recall that if you want to set up your Twitter authentication API, you will need to add your callback URL. The callback URL will allow the app to quickly come up. So we've already gotten that set up on our configuration, which will have the consumer key and the consumer secret keys already applied. So let's now see how we can work with the TweetBox tools to get our marketing on. So I want to visit the page now, Supreme Web TweetBox, already have it there, so I'm calling it up. Alright, it's calling that up. Alright, so it's up here. You can find the entire tools we can use up here. So we have the search and comment toolbox, search and reply, down to our auto booking and auto sales. But before we get going, we need to authenticate with our Twitter API to be sure we can use all of these tools. So let's see search and comment. I want to log in. Alright, so it's calling up the authorization application. Great. So I want to grant this application access. I say authorize app. So it's redirecting us back to the application. Alright, great. Say success. You have connected your account. Select the tool below. So I can pick from any of these tools and search a keyword or a hashtag or a key phrase and then drop my comment, and it goes straight to my Twitter follower. So I hit and select. Alright, so I want to enter a search keyword. I can still use what we've been using for other ones, which is marketing. Alright, so we can select one tweet here. I can also have my tweet message here. Okay, say please to learn the easy secrets of reaching more prospects, visit. So you can drop your blog link here to drive more traffic to your blog post. You have it www.mybblog.com. Alright, great. So hit on submit. Then you do across all other tools, the search and reply keywords, as well as search and send. You run it down to search and promote, search invite, and search mention. If you have auto booking links, which you already have, you drop the links in your comments, and that's how you get to drag the traffic of other Twitter followers into your content, and you get your content going. So if you buy our product from our referral link, we are letting go this Twitter toolbox for you to play around with and get as much traffic as you want directed to your own content. Thank you.